This is our semi-automatic solar panel frame removal machine. It is specially designed for efficient dismantling of aluminum frames from waste solar panels. The machine adopts a hydraulic pressing system to provide strong and stable force. It ensures fast frame removal while keeping the glass and internal structure completely safe. The operation is simple and user-friendly. Only 2 workers is needed to feed and unload the panels, which greatly reduces labor cost. It is suitable for different sizes and types of solar panels. The machine guarantees clean aluminum separation, improving recycling efficiency and material value. Compared with manual dismantling, it is much faster, safer, and more consistent in performance. It helps recycling plants increase productivity and reduce operational time. This equipment is widely used in solar panel recycling